How to install both Python versions 2 and 3 on the same Windows. Let's get started with installing Python 2. In this tutorial, we are gonna download and install Python 2.7.18. Download it from the official Python website, and run the installer. Choose the installation options in the Setup Wizard and customize the installation to suit your needs. Select the installation location for Python or stick with the default location. Then select the checkbox to add Python to the system path for easier command line access and click on the Next button. The Setup Wizard will notify you that Python has been successfully installed. Click on the Finish button to exit the Setup Wizard. To check if Python is successfully installed, open the command prompt. Type the following command, and hit the Enter key, Python --v. The command prompt displays the installed Python version. Now let's download and install Python 3. In this tutorial, we are going to install Python 3.11.3. After the download completes, run the Python installer. Select the box with this message, Add python.exe to the path. Then click on the Install button and wait for the setup progress to finish. After finishing the installation progress, click on Disable Path Length Limit to disable the limitation. Then click on Close and follow the next steps to access all Python versions on your Windows. Now let's add Python path, which provides command line access to all installed Python versions. Type Advanced System Settings into the search box and select View Advanced System Settings option from the Start menu. On the Advanced tab of the System Properties window that appears, press the Environment Variables button. As you see, in the User Variables column, Python 3 is listed, while Python 2 is listed in the System Variables section. Although both Python installations have the system path available, typing Python --v at the command prompt only returns Python 2.7. Through this method I'm gonna show, you can get both versions with different commands. In the User Variables column, select Python 3, then click on the Edit button. Select the path and copy it. Open Run, and paste the path to open the Python 3 location. Make a duplicate of the python.exe file, and rename that to Python 3. Now that your environmental variables are refreshed, open a new command prompt window and type Python 3 --v. And to check your Python 2 version, just type Python --v. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Python 2 and Python 3 on the same Windows.